guys, today we are going to do a challenge. It's gonna be like a couple minutes long.
Like, pretend like I pick number 2 and I get to drink a Coke, and if I guess it right, I get a point and get to skate all over the house. And that's my favorite. And if Tegan gets a point, I have to do it backwards.
All around the house. So,
All
Ava,
around the house.
close your eyes.
Oh, pizza. Oh, never mind.
All right, Ava, close your eyes.
Okay.
Answer 1 or answer 2.
1.
Drink this.
Okay.
A cup.
This feels like Coke because it is Coke.
You are correct. So you get to skate all around the house. Take a sip of that.
Okay. You did zero sugar. Why?
Because it's the
All
only
right,
soda
I
in
did
the
it.
fridge.
Let's get around the house.
I can't find the cow. Don't okay?
Skates. On skates. Woo! Woohoo! This is amazing. And there's our TV. And here's the fat Bella, the cute little, the skinny little Bella. Let's do it again. Woo! And here's the outside of my house. Now. Woo! Skates. Skates. Woo! This is so fun. Oh my god, I can't see now. Okay, give me the phone. Okay.
All right. Actually, you have the phone, and I'm going to close my eyes and I'm going to choose 2 steps out of the way. You can switch your eyes. So when I press the green one, that means you can't switch it again. Hey, are you ready?
No. All right. 1 or 2?
I'm scared.
What?
2. What is it?
Oh, you're so close to taking all of. Oh! You have to take a sip of this. You were so lucky. You almost got eaten olives.
Yeah.
So I had to go all the way back to the house. Like,
I get to skate around.
no, when I get to skate back.
No.
All right, you skate. And
Let me put the. Oh.
do
Hey, you have to eat this. Hold on, wanna skate around for a couple times? Whee! I don't go fast in the house because I don't want to break anything, or I don't want to be scared and just crash my butt. And let's turn around. This time I'm gonna go kind of fast. I am. What are you doing? Why'd you pour all of it? Why is there only a little bit of orange juice left? Okay. Can you give me a straw, please?
no, you have to pick. You have to pick now. I'm going to go skate while I'm waiting.
Hold on. Don't be on the treadmill. Just so you know, the animals is not a choice. And you cannot look. You have to skate around the house.
Oh.
Ava, just go in the hall. Just go in the hall. Yeah, I was closing my eyes, and you're probably opening your eyes right now. Okay, I did not sleep properly. Be right back, guys. Do not look. Okay, Ava, I'm ready. I'm coming. Close your eyes. Alright, then I'm gonna cover them. Alright, Ava, answer 1 or answer 2?
I'm gonna pick 2.
Oh! Ava could have got tomato, basil, and garlic pasta sauce, but she got that delicious protein drink.
To skate around the house. So I get to skate around the house.
Here is the camera. You
Okay,
can
I gotta open this.
Anyways, guys,
I'll do
is-
that later. I just can't wait to
skate
around the house. This is so cool, you guys. I got to skate around the house 2 times. I'm gonna go to the couch. Like, and here's the Bella. Here's the Bella. Oh my God, the Bella.
be on the Bella versus Mitten show.
Hey, yeah.
Skate around the house one more time.
Why? Oh yeah. I get to skate around the house 2 times.
Oh,
What?
I actually poured the water. Not funny because I just like.
Come on, let's go around the house again.
We don't want you skating with your phone.
Woo! It's so fun. So fun. What are you gonna? Are you gonna come? Whoa. I'm gonna pause the video for 1 second.